In a world of zero-day exploits and unpredictable threats, traditional testing isn't enough. Fuzz testing helps you uncover hidden vulnerabilities before attackers do. Here's how it works. Fuzz testing is a security technique that injects random or malformed data into your application to uncover crashes, memory leaks, and more. It reveals vulnerabilities static analysis often misses. Step 1 is instrumentation. It makes the application observable and lets fuzzers track execution paths. Tools like libfuzzer and AFL help detect memory issues and guide input generation. Next, fuzzers begin with a seed corpus, a collection of valid inputs. These are mutated using techniques like bit flipping or format-aware changes to explore deeper code logic. Modern fuzzers are feedback-driven. When an input triggers a new behavior, it becomes a focus. This smart feedback loop avoids repetition and hunts deeper bugs. When a crash occurs, the fuzzer flags it, minimizes the input, and builds a proof of concept. Common bugs include buffer overflows, null dereferences, and memory issues. Not every crash is critical. That's why fuzzers include triage mechanisms to duplicating crashes and offering developers actionable bug reports with traces and inputs. Fuzz testing brings strategic value to your security pipeline. It helps you find zero-day flaws, fits perfectly into CI/CD, increases code coverage, and supports compliance goals, all while saving you time and cost. Despite its power, fuzzing isn't plug-and-play. Complex input formats, gated logic, performance constraints, and high signal-to-noise ratio can be hurdles without the right setup. At Testrig Technologies, we embed fuzz testing into our security services, instrumenting code, crafting seed corpora, running automated fuzz cycles, and feeding results directly into CI/CD pipelines. Fuzz testing is more than just a technique. It's a frontline defense against the unknown. By embracing fuzzing, you're not just testing code. You're building resilience, reliability, and real-world security. Let your software break in testing, so it doesn't break in production. At Testrig Technologies, we embed fuzz testing into your security testing lifecycle, identifying threats before attackers even know they exist. Stay proactive, stay secure, partner with Testrig.